Hi everyone, and good Tuesday morning. It's Eric here with a video blog update about Wednesday morning's snow. I've been off since Sunday evening, so I've been a little bit off the grid, but I'm back on today, and I do want to bring you up to date on what promises to be an impactful situation for Wednesday morning. No problems today. It's a cold morning, but has high pressure out here across parts of the Midwest continues to push east. We'll have a dry day today, a gradual increase in high clouds later on this afternoon. This is a pretty big burly area of high pressure that will supply enough cold air for precipitation to be largely snow for your morning commute tomorrow morning. It'll eventually probably transition over to some freezing rain perhaps, and then some rain, but at the start it'll certainly be cold enough for some snow. Let's talk about the timing here. Again, no problems today. I'm going to fast forward to tomorrow morning. The future radar shows snow approaching by about 4 o'clock in the morning. Here's 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I think by about 7 o'clock it's going to be snowing everywhere. And once this comes in, it's going to start snowing pretty hard, it looks like, in most of the valley by daybreak on Wednesday. And we'll get a few hours worth of pretty hefty snowfall rates before it starts to taper off. We probably start to see some raindrops and sleet pellets mixing in. Might be a brief period right around midday where we have a little bit of rain falling and temperatures are right around 31, 32. So a brief period of freezing rain is going to be possible. I think as we get into the afternoon, the air temperature both here at the ground and upstairs will be above freezing, and maybe there's a little bit of drizzle or some light rain in the afternoon. But yeah, the snow problems are all in the morning hours on your Wednesday. As far as how much snow to expect, here's one model depiction, and I think this is generally the right idea. I'll put out a snow map this afternoon, but just a general sense as to what we expect. I think north of I-80, it's probably 1 to 2, perhaps 3 inches. Once you're south of I-80, I think the chances of a little more are a little higher, so I probably go with a 2 to 4 inch zone, roughly from I-80 on south. So 2, 3, 4 inches I think will be fairly common in all of Mahoning County, all of Columbiana County, all of Lawrence County as well. Again, once you're up into Trumbull and Mercer counties, amounts might be a little bit less, but the impacts will be fairly similar. Look for an impactful morning commute on your Wednesday. So you want to be sure tomorrow morning to tune in to WFMJ today. Emily Verzini will have the latest radar, everything else you need to know. We'll of course have the school adjustments crawling. Sign up for those school adjustments, WFMJ.com. Get those text alerts sent to you. And of course, later on today, I'll be in the studio and have a full update for you this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11, weather for weather geeks. And of course, you can always find me throughout the course of the day on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram included. All right, have a great Tuesday, everyone.